Hey everybody, I'm Ollie Kermani from Razor USA, and this is your Crazy Cart Shuffle Quick Start Guide. In this video, I'll be walking you through 3 steps that everyone will want to learn in order to start using their Crazy Cart Shuffle. Those 3 steps are, number 1, how to gain speed, number 2, how to turn, and number 3, how to begin spinning. So without any further ado, let's get started. Step 1, gaining speed. Gaining speed on the Crazy Cart Shuffle is easy. All you have to do is put your feet on the foot bar and begin moving them back and forth. As you shuffle your feet back and forth, the Crazy Cart Shuffle will begin to move forward. Step 2, turning. Turning on the Crazy Cart Shuffle is easy. All you have to do is extend either leg straight forward. If you extend your right leg, the cart will begin to turn to the left, and if you extend your left leg, the cart will begin to turn to the right. Step 3, spinning. Once you've learned to gain speed and turn on your Crazy Cart Shuffle, starting to spin is as easy as lifting up on the drift bars. So all you have to do is shuffle your feet back and forth, decide which way you're turning, and then lift the drift bars to engage a spin. You will continue to spin as long as the drift bars are up, and as soon as you want to straighten back out, just lower the drift bars. So that wraps it up for this quick start guide. For more Crazy Cart Shuffle tricks and tips, be sure to check out the rest of the content on our channel.